Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 2 Presentation Assembly. It's Friday the 22nd of October 2021 and we're here to celebrate all those Year 2s who have been amazing throughout this half term and earned themselves certificates. And also I've got house captains coming up in a moment and they're going to help me give shout out to those children who have earned those certificates. So we're going to kick off this morning. Let's have a look. First of all, we've got our maths stars. So here we go. Let's have a look at our maths superstars and working really, really hard on the maths. And you can see that from their faces as well, how they're really concentrating and big smiles as well. So who have we got?
We've got Tudor, Gracie May, Emily and Kobe.
Certainly have. Come on you guys, stand up in class. Let's give you all a massive cheer. So well done you four. Well done on those certificates. Enjoy taking those home today as well. Proud of you. Well done. Next we've got our reading superstars. Now these guys have been reading every single day, including the weekends. So really, really proud of them. Who have we got, William?
Ethan, Noah, Alexia and Casey.
Correct. We have got those four. Well done, you four. Brilliant reading yourself as well. Well done, William. Good lad. You're going to sit down there. But absolutely well done, you guys. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today, you absolute superstars. And keep it up over half term. Well done. We've got history superstars. Look at these guys working really hard on history throughout this term. Who have we got?
Teddy, Adele, Alex and Olivia.
We have. Well done, guys. Look at those huge smiles on their faces. So they should be. Okay, so really well done, guys. Stand up in class. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done, guys. Next, we have our PE stars. Look at these, being really physically active. Look at these guys. Lots and lots of PE, lots of exercise. Who have we got? Come on in.
Marcy, Mason, Lauren May and Tillman.
Brilliant. We certainly have. Look at those. Well done, guys. Okay, stand up in class. All right, so really, really well done, you absolute superstars. Keep it up, keep being physically active over half term as well, and we'll see you after half term even fitter than you are. So well done, enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. We've got Miss Hall's phonics superstars. These guys are working really, really hard on their sounds. Lots of blending, lots of reading going on. It's amazing, so really, really well. Who have we got?
Ben, Dennis, Scarlett and Alita.
We have, look at that, well done. Well done, look, that even the names, it's superb, really well done. Well done, Miss Hall's phonics superstars. Well done. Stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next, we have some readings. Look at these reading stars. Oh my word. And look at the books as well. Absolutely amazing. Well done, guys. Thank you for reading every single day. And I know you'll carry that on over half term because you are amazing. Who have we got?
We've got Crystal, Noah, Danielis and Monica.
We have. Look at the big smiles on their face as well. So you should be smiling. You should be really proud of yourself, guys. Really well done. And keep up that reading over half term. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Next, we have our phonics stars. Look at these guys again, working really hard on their phonics, doing their blending and reading really well now. So who have we got, William?
Manta, Sophie, Mimi and Caden.
Yes, we have. Look at Caden, big smile. Big smiles on all of their faces and they should be really smiling now as well. Stand up, guys. Let's give you a massive cheer in class as well. So really well done. Thank you. Next, we've got our maths stars. Oh, look at the maths that's going. You can just see Maxwell. What a smile. Well done, Maxwell. But look at the maths that's going on in these books from these Year 2. It's phenomenal. Well done, guys. Who've we got, Martin?
Beatrice, Lily, Maxwell and Barton.
We certainly have. Stand up, guys. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. I'm so proud of you. And I'm so impressed with your maths as well. It is phenomenal. So well done and keep it up, superstars. Next, we've got our history stars. Look at the again. Look at this history work that's going on with these Year 2s. Look at it. Absolutely amazing. So who have we got?
Eliza, Scarlett, Orson and Isla.
We have. Look at that. Big smile from Isla. So you should be Isla. Well done. Stand up, guys. And let's give you a massive round of applause. Well done, guys. Super history work. Well done working with historians and asking all those questions as well. Getting those timelines right, putting all the things in the right order. Really well done. Getting that chronology right is really difficult. So well done, you Year 2s. And keep it up over next term as well. Thank you. They are PE stars. Here they are. Look at these. Look at the smiles on these guys in their PE kit as well. Ready for action. Who have we got?
We've got Olivia, Logan, Jake, Jack and Adama.
Good. Brilliant. We certainly have. Look at these guys. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Keep being active over half term. I know you will be. So really well done and enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Right. We're just going to check. Look at this. Top 3 in each class. All those children earning all those merits and all those house points. Look at these guys. We've got the top 3 in each class, all vying for those house points, ready for the end of term when we do our presentation assembly at Christmas to find out who's won the Keen Cup. And I know all these house captains are very keen to find out who it is. So we've got Eliza on 9, we've got Sophie on 10, we've got Lily on 11. Stand up in Miss Begum's class. Come on, you 3. Let's give you 3 a massive cheer. So really, really well done. And Miss Hall's class, we've got, Scarlett on 9, Penny on 10, and Tudor on 11. Look how close it is. There's one house point in it between all of them. It's so close. So it'll be really interesting to see who those top 3 are when we get to Christmas. So well done, you 6. Come on, let's stand up and let's give you all a massive cheer. Really well done. There it is. Right, well done to all of the year 2s. What a fantastic half term. Really well done. Thank you, everyone. As you can see, school closes today at 3:15. We're back on Monday the 1st of November after half term. So let's have a wonderful, restful half term. I know lots of you will be active and being physical, and lots of you do lots of reading, because I know that's what you will do. Please do have a really safe half term. We'll see you all back on Monday the 1st of November. Please do spread this link far and wide to aunties, uncles and grandparents, so everyone can really celebrate in the families all these amazing children. So really well done. Until Monday the 1st of November, we'll see you then, everyone. Bye-bye now.